Welcome to Romeesa Kitchen. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a video. Today I am going to teach you how to make Chapli Kabab. So let's begin. Chicken mince 200 grams, salt 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, chili flakes 1 tablespoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon, black pepper powder quarter teaspoon, garam masala powder half teaspoon, 1 egg, gram flour 2 tablespoons, dried mango powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 4 chopped green chilies, handful of mint leaves and handful of coriander leaves. To marinate the chicken mince, we will add salt, black pepper powder, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, chili flakes, cumin powder, coriander powder, chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, dried mango powder, gram flour, chopped green chilies, mint leaves and coriander leaves. Now combine all the ingredients well. Now add egg and mix it well. Grease your hands with oil. Make it in a round shape with the help of your palm. Now repeat the process. In a pan, add 1 cup of oil. Let the oil heat. Now add the kebabs one by one. Fry it on both sides for 3 to 5 minutes. Repeat the process. Garnish with chopped coriander. Your Chapli Kabab is ready. Enjoy!